Hey guys, it's Eric at Prestige. I have a 347 500 horsepower small block Ford in front of me here. Beautiful red color. I love these engines when they're painted red, especially with these Ford Racing valve covers. They look really sharp. A little bit about this engine. So again, a 500 horsepower 347 based off the 302 small block Ford. Rotating kit, cast steel crank, forged I-beam rod, and a forged piston. It is a hydraulic roller camshaft, hydraulic roller lifters. On the bottom we have a extra capacity Moroso oil pan. This is a front sump. We can also do a rear sump just depending on the application. All right, up top we have a set of CNC ported AFR cylinder heads, a full roller valve train, so full bodied, full roller aluminum rocker arms from Scorpion, topped off with these really nice Ford Racing valve covers, and these ones are in red to match the color of the block. Intake manifold is a dual intake manifold from Edelbrock, the RPM air gap, the best street intake manifold you can put on one of these engines for anything under the 500 to 550 horsepower range. So fuel delivery wise, this is a Brawler carburetor. This is a 4-barrel carburetor. It does have the electric choke on it. This is a 650 version. Ignition, so this is a MSD Pro Billet distributor. We've custom built a set of Ford Racing ignition wires, and then they're held in place and routed very nicely with this Billet Specialties ignition wire loom set. The front pulley system we have on this engine is a CVF system. Now this is a 1-belt serpentine system, and you can see it has the provisions for all the accessories, so AC, alternator, power steering, and of course water pump. It does also have an automatic belt tensioner. Now a really cool feature of these kits is maybe you're not running AC yet, like this particular customer. You can see that it has a pulley, but the AC compressor is not here. What that allows you to do is if maybe you're contemplating on adding AC in the future, or maybe you don't have power steering and you're contemplating adding that in the future, this kit allows you to buy a base kit and then upgrade it as you upgrade your vehicle. So a really nice feature of these kits. Also, we have the thermostat housing and also a high flow thermostat installed behind it. And this particular engine has a mechanical fuel pump, so the CVF system does allow you to use the standard timing cover that has the provisions for a mechanical fuel pump. So if you were going to stick with a carburetor and you wanted to go mechanical fuel pump, it does have the provisions for that. Anything else you need, we can do transmission packages, fuel supply systems, cooling systems, radiators, fans, the whole package. It includes wiring, relays, everything you need to install these kits in your vehicle. We can supply it for you. If you'd like a custom estimate, please call us 704-782-7170 or send us a message through our website at prestigemoto.com.